In this video, I will show you how to set live wallpapers on the home screen and lock screen of your Vivo T5x. Open Settings. Go to the home screen. Select Wallpaper. This phone only has one live wallpaper. If you want to add 4K live wallpapers, you need to download them from the Play Store. Here you will see different types of 4K live wallpapers. Download any one and apply. Again, if you want to remove the live wallpapers, uninstall the 4K Live Wallpaper app, then it will be deleted.